The robot console software is divided into 4 parts. Configuration, program, move, and load. In configuration part, configuration box contains startup, developer setting, and functions. At the bottom, you can see log and monitor, and the real-time current and voltage display. This bottom part will appear in other 3 boxes as well. To start the robot, just click power, wait until the light turns green. Then you can also see at the right the data will change, and then unlock. The robot is on when you see both lights are green. The programming part includes 4 parts. The bottom part, and mainly the upper part, also divided into 3, including the structure tree on the left, function box, and operation buttons under the function box. You can see in function box there are order, structure, advanced box. In advanced box, you can import run script and also stop or clear scripts. If you want to program a robot joint movement, then click the left part, No. Then go to the right part, click struct. And you will see it will turn to instruction. Only click movement, then a point will be added automatically. If you want to add more, just click join again. For individual programming, you can change or choose movement. There are move J, L, and P. Also, you can select coordinate here. Now for individual point, go select a point and choose set waypoint, and you will enter move box. Use the arrows to program the movement of your robot. After you're done, simply click confirm, and you will save the program. Return to the program box. To set another movement, select another joint and repeat the above steps. And also choose different arrows to change the movement. Click confirm. If you want to view the movement that you programmed, click here, move to this, tick. Go to start, click OK, then click run, choose yes. Now go to move. You will see the movement in the display screen in move box. If you want to stop the viewing, just go back to program, click stop. Now let's take a look at MoveBox. In here, it includes Cartesian coordinate system. On the upper left part, there are 12 arrows on the right, and reposition button, pass and move, and also the speed control bar. Here is the display screen. You can see the movement of the robot arm. The 12 sets of arrows, each 2 of them controls one joint of the robot arm. And you can simply click and you can change the movement of the robot arm. And the speed bar here, and the higher it goes, the faster it will be. The lower percentages, the slower the movement will be. On the left top part, the first 6 arrows are one group. So click different axes, X, Y, and Z, then the robot arm will move accordingly. You can see the data change as well on the right part next to the reposition button. And the other 6 arrows on the right also are used to control the robot arm, but if you click these 6 arrows, the robot will rotate instead of just move. It will rotate according to the coordinate. And also, if you would like to reset the position, click reposition, choose yes. But before you do so, make sure there's enough room around the robot for setting the position back. Here we can see it's arrived. Passive move function is for you to physically change the robot arm position, and the pathway that you move the robot will be changed and recorded as well. The last one is load. When you need to use TCP coordinate or add one TCP for a newly added joint, a point or joint, and this one is a convenient access for you. To turn the robot off, simply click log in the configuration box. The robot is off. Thank you for watching.